If your automatic transmission hesitates, jerks between gears, or slams into drive, you might think a costly rebuild is your only option. But in many cases, the real problem isn't a worn-out transmission, it's old, contaminated transmission fluid that has lost its ability to lubricate, cool, and maintain proper hydraulic pressure. The $3 secret isn't magic. It's simply replacing or refreshing degraded transmission fluid with the correct manufacturer, approved fluid at the right service interval. Fresh fluid restores hydraulic pressure, improves clutch engagement, reduces friction, and helps the transmission shift more smoothly. In some vehicles, adding the correct friction modifier, only if recommended by the manufacturer, can also improve shift quality. Over time, transmission fluid collects microscopic metal particles, clutch material, and oxidation deposits. As the fluid breaks down from heat, it loses its protective properties. This can lead to delayed shifts, rough gear changes, slipping, overheating, and premature wear of expensive internal components. Changing the transmission fluid and filter, when applicable, is one of the most affordable maintenance services you can perform. Many drivers notice smoother shifts, quieter operation, quicker gear engagement, and lower operating temperatures immediately after installing fresh, manufacturer-approved fluid. However, no fluid can repair broken gears, worn clutch packs, damaged solenoids, or mechanical failures. If your transmission is already slipping severely, making grinding noises, or displaying warning lights, a fluid change alone will not fix the problem and may reveal existing damage that was already present. Hydraulic pressure is the driving force that allows an automatic transmission to operate smoothly and efficiently. Unlike a manual transmission, where the driver physically selects gears using a clutch and gear lever, an automatic transmission depends on pressurized transmission fluid to perform nearly every function. Every gear change, clutch engagement, and band application is controlled by hydraulic pressure generated inside the transmission. When the engine is running, the transmission's internal pump continuously circulates automatic transmission fluid through a complex network of valves, channels, and passages. This pressurized fluid activates clutch packs and bands that determine which gear is selected at any given moment. If the hydraulic pressure remains stable and within the manufacturer's specifications, the transmission shifts smoothly, delivers power efficiently, and minimizes wear on internal components. When pressure drops because of degraded fluid, internal leaks, clogged filters, worn seals, or pump wear, the transmission begins to exhibit symptoms such as delayed engagement, slipping, harsh shifts, hesitation during acceleration, or complete gear failure. Hydraulic pressure is therefore one of the most important factors affecting the performance and lifespan of an automatic transmission. Transmission fluid serves as much more than a lubricant. It acts as the hydraulic medium that transfers force throughout the transmission. The pump draws fluid from the transmission pan and forces it through the valve body, where electronically or mechanically controlled valves direct the pressurized fluid to different clutch packs, depending on vehicle speed, engine load, and throttle position. Each clutch pack contains multiple friction plates that lock together when hydraulic pressure is applied, allowing a specific gear ratio to engage. If the pressure reaching these clutch packs is too low, they cannot clamp together with enough force, causing them to slip against each other. This slippage generates excessive heat, rapidly wears the friction material, and contaminates the fluid with debris. As contamination increases, hydraulic passages become restricted, reducing pressure even further and accelerating internal damage. Proper hydraulic pressure also ensures that gear changes occur at precisely the right time. Modern automatic transmissions rely on sophisticated control systems that constantly monitor vehicle speed, engine speed, throttle position, transmission temperature, and driver input. Based on this information, the transmission control module commands shift solenoids to open or close hydraulic circuits. These solenoids regulate the flow of pressurized fluid to different parts of the transmission, allowing seamless gear changes within fractions of a second. Even a slight reduction in hydraulic pressure can interfere with this process, producing rough shifts, hesitation, or inconsistent gear engagement that drivers immediately notice during everyday driving. Temperature plays a major role in maintaining hydraulic pressure. Automatic transmission fluid is carefully formulated to maintain a stable viscosity across a wide temperature range. When the transmission overheats, the fluid becomes thinner, reducing its ability to generate and maintain sufficient hydraulic pressure. High temperatures also accelerate oxidation, causing the fluid to darken, lose its lubricating properties, and form harmful varnish deposits inside the valve body. These deposits can restrict the movement of precision valves, interfere with fluid flow, and create additional pressure losses throughout the hydraulic system. Repeated overheating eventually damages seals, clutch materials, and internal components, leading to expensive repairs that could often have been avoided through regular fluid maintenance. Internal seals are another critical part of maintaining hydraulic pressure. Rubber seals and sealing rings separate hydraulic circuits and prevent fluid from leaking between components. As these seals age, they become hard, brittle, or worn, allowing pressure to escape before reaching the intended clutch pack or servo. Even a small internal leak can significantly reduce clutch holding force, producing slipping or delayed engagement without any visible external fluid leak. Because these leaks occur inside the transmission, they are often difficult to diagnose without specialized pressure testing equipment. The transmission filter also contributes to stable hydraulic pressure. Its purpose is to capture metal particles, clutch material, and other contaminants before they circulate through sensitive hydraulic components. As debris accumulates over time, the filter becomes increasingly restricted, limiting the amount of fluid reaching the transmission pump. Reduced fluid supply can lower hydraulic pressure, especially during acceleration or high load conditions when greater fluid flow is required. Replacing the filter during scheduled transmission service helps ensure that the hydraulic system continues receiving an adequate supply of clean fluid. Drivers can often recognize hydraulic pressure problems through changes in vehicle behavior. A noticeable delay when shifting into drive or reverse, slipping during acceleration, unusually firm or soft shifts, sudden RPM increases without corresponding acceleration, or hesitation between gears may all indicate insufficient hydraulic pressure. While electronic faults can produce similar symptoms, many transmission performance issues originate from fluid-related pressure problems rather than catastrophic mechanical failure. Early diagnosis and maintenance may restore normal operation before severe internal damage occurs. Maintaining proper hydraulic pressure begins with using the exact transmission fluid specified by the vehicle manufacturer. Different automatic transmissions are designed around fluids with specific friction characteristics and viscosity ratings. Using the wrong fluid can alter hydraulic performance, affect clutch engagement, and create shifting problems even when the transmission is mechanically sound. Regular inspection of fluid level and condition, timely fluid and filter changes, maintaining an effective transmission cooling system, and repairing leaks promptly all help preserve stable hydraulic pressure and extend the service life of the transmission. Transmission fluid breakdown is one of the leading causes of automatic transmission performance problems, yet it often develops so gradually that many drivers fail to recognize the warning signs until noticeable damage has already occurred. Fresh automatic transmission fluid is carefully engineered to perform several critical functions simultaneously. It lubricates gears and bearings, transfers hydraulic pressure, cools internal components, protects against corrosion, cleans away contaminants, and provides the precise friction characteristic needed for smooth clutch engagement. As the fluid ages, repeated exposure to high temperatures, friction, oxidation, and contamination slowly changes its chemical composition. These changes reduce its effectiveness in every one of its essential roles, causing transmission performance to decline over time. Although the transmission itself may still be mechanically sound, degraded fluid can produce symptoms that resemble serious mechanical failure, including rough shifting, delayed gear engagement, slipping, overheating, and poor acceleration. Heat is the primary factor responsible for transmission fluid breakdown. Automatic transmissions generate significant heat during normal operation because internal clutch packs and torque converters rely on controlled friction to transfer engine power to the wheels. Under ideal conditions, the transmission cooling system keeps fluid temperatures within a safe operating range. However, towing heavy loads, climbing steep grades, driving in stop-hand, go traffic, operating in hot climates, or having a partially blocked transmission cooler can raise fluid temperatures well above recommended levels. Every substantial increase in operating temperature accelerates oxidation, causing the fluid to lose viscosity and reducing its ability to provide lubrication and hydraulic pressure. Oxidized fluid gradually turns from its original bright red color to dark brown or nearly black, and often develops a burnt odor that indicates excessive thermal degradation. As transmission fluid deteriorates, its lubricating ability decreases significantly. Metal gears, bearings, bushings, and rotating shafts depend on a strong lubricating film to prevent direct metal contact. When degraded fluid can no longer maintain this protective layer, friction increases throughout the transmission. Increased friction produces additional heat, creating a destructive cycle in which higher temperatures cause even faster fluid breakdown. Over time, excessive friction accelerates wear on precision, machined components, reducing transmission efficiency and shortening its service life. Another important consequence of fluid breakdown involves hydraulic performance. Automatic transmissions rely entirely on pressurized fluid to engage clutch packs and bands responsible for changing gears. When transmission fluid loses its designed viscosity, it cannot generate or maintain hydraulic pressure as effectively as fresh fluid. The lower hydraulic pressure causes clutch packs to engage more slowly or with insufficient force, resulting in delayed shifts, slipping during acceleration, or inconsistent gear changes. These symptoms often become more noticeable when the transmission is hot because degraded fluid becomes even thinner as temperatures increase. Contamination further accelerates transmission fluid deterioration. During normal operation, microscopic particles of clutch material, metal shavings, and other wear debris accumulate inside the fluid. Although the transmission filter captures much of this material, extremely fine particles continue circulating throughout the hydraulic system. These contaminants can clog narrow hydraulic passages, restrict valve movement, wear pump components, and interfere with the operation of sensitive shift solenoids. As contamination increases, hydraulic efficiency declines, causing rough shifting and increasing stress on internal transmission components. Oxidation also produces varnish and sludge deposits that accumulate inside the transmission. These sticky deposits coat valve body passages, pressure regulators, shift valves, and solenoids with a thin layer of hardened residue. Because modern transmissions depend on extremely precise hydraulic control, even minor restrictions can alter fluid flow enough to affect shift timing and clutch engagement. Valves that once moved freely may begin sticking intermittently, causing unpredictable transmission behavior that changes depending on operating temperature and driving conditions. Modern automatic transmissions operate with very tight engineering tolerances and advanced electronic controls. The transmission control module continuously monitors information from numerous sensors, including transmission temperature, engine speed, throttle position, vehicle speed, and gear selection. Based on these inputs, it commands shift solenoids that regulate hydraulic pressure throughout the transmission. If degraded fluid prevents the hydraulic system from responding correctly, the control module may detect abnormal operating conditions and place the transmission into a protective mode, commonly known as limp mode. This limits available gears to reduce further damage while allowing the vehicle to be driven to a repair facility. Drivers often notice several warning signs before severe transmission damage occurs. Delayed engagement when shifting into drive or reverse, harsh gear changes, slipping under acceleration, unexpected increases in engine RPM, hesitation between shifts, transmission overheating. Warnings or visible dark, burnt, melting fluid are all indicators that the transmission fluid may have deteriorated beyond its useful service life. Ignoring these symptoms allows deterioration to continue, increasing the likelihood of costly repairs involving clutch packs, pumps, valve bodies, or complete transmission replacement. Preventing transmission fluid breakdown depends largely on routine maintenance and proper operating conditions. Following the manufacturer's recommended fluid change intervals, using only the specified transmission fluid, maintaining the transmission cooling system, repairing leaks promptly, avoiding excessive overheating, and replacing the transmission filter when required all help preserve fluid quality. Fresh, clean transmission fluid provides consistent lubrication, stable hydraulic pressure, effective cooling, and reliable clutch operation, allowing the transmission to shift smoothly while minimizing wear on expensive internal components throughout its service life. The real secret isn't a miracle additive, it's preventive maintenance. Regular transmission fluid service can significantly extend transmission life, improve performance, and help avoid repair bills that often exceed $3,000 to $7,000. Taking care of the fluid today can keep your transmission shifting like new for many more miles.